I made these crispy wings in my air fryer with no oil. If you want to learn how, keep watching. I did not know until I started making my own wings that the little wings that we get at like American Deli and Wingstop are a whole wing cut into pieces. So before we put them in the air fryer, we got to cut them up. Make sure you take a sharp knife and just cut through the skin. And then once you cut through the skin, you'll be able to see where the two bones meet. And you can just cut across there. If you're cutting and you're getting a lot of resistance, it's not cutting through, you're probably trying to cut through the bone. So cut some more skin and look a little closer. Once the wings are chopped, I just wash them in a bowl with some water and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And I'm just patting them dry with a paper towel. Don't skip this step, because if there's any water on your wings, it's going to stop them from getting crispy. And that's what we want, is crispy. So now I have my wings in a mixing bowl, and I'm adding some Parmesan cheese, some garlic powder, parsley, salt, pepper, and onion powder. And the measurements and ingredients will be down in the description box. Once my wings are seasoned, I'm gonna mix everything up and make sure all the seasonings are evenly distributed. You can use tongs or your hands, whichever ones you prefer. Then I'm gonna put my wings in my air fryer. Make sure they're not touching, give them some space to cook. And I'm gonna let my wings cook at 400 for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes is up, I open up my air fryer and flip them over, let them cook for another 6 to 8 minutes. But you can already see the wings are getting crispy, that cheese is getting nice and brown. They already look good and they're not even done yet. And y'all, I highly recommend a air fryer. Even if you don't like fried food, there's so many things you can do with this thing. Once they are done, I'm gonna put them on my little cooling rack. And these wings look like they're fresh out of some fryer grease. They're crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the flavor is a 10 out of 10. You need to make these like now.